Hi, this video is to show you how to take out the power of your Mercedes-Benz GTR. Now, one thing to note is that anytime we ship a car to you, 99.999% of the time, the battery that's included will already have some sort of charge. So when you power, if everything is connected properly and you power on your car, you're going to hear the car turn on. You should see the lights turn on the dashboard as well. Now, if you're not getting that, and you went through all our assembly videos, and you went through the wire tutorial, and your car still doesn't work, you may have something that's wired incorrectly, or you may have a faulty component. Now, in those cases, you want to make sure you take out the power, because we do not want electricity going through a faulty component or bad wiring, because it could turn into a very hazardous situation. Now, to disconnect the power, you want to look all the way at the positive terminal over here. It's going to lead to a fuse. From the fuse, it's going to lead to this clip right over here. And this clip leads to the motor RC controller. You want to disconnect this one power. So if I had it on and I disconnect this one piece, the car will turn off immediately and there's no further power going through the car. Make sure if the car never powered on in the first place, you do not charge the car, because we do not want to have more power going through the car. I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any other questions, please contact us on ridefirstdrive.com. Thank you so much.